Hello friends, family, total strangers. Today's video, I'm just chilling on a day off with Jax McGhee. That's him over in the sun over there. And yeah, so this video is just showing a day off. I'm also, before I get into anything else, I want to talk about questions and answers. So my next video I want to do, I think we're about due for another questions and answers video. So if you have any questions, please put them in the comments right down below there. And that would be great. So yeah, any questions you have, throw them in the comments and I will respond to them in the next video. So yeah, it's been a pretty rough work week. My 41-year-old back is not dealing that well with lifting things all day, but I am surviving, and so I decided that today would be a Toby and Jax appreciation day. So I decided to make a dinner that is something that I truly love, and so I'm doing that. And I got a couple special things for Jax McGhee as well, for Jax McGhee appreciation. And and yeah, so this isn't going to be a very long video, or perhaps not that interesting either. But yeah, so it was supposed to rain today. It was supposed to rain at noon, so we went out early and did a little walk, and it ended up, it hasn't rained yet. It's almost 6 p.m. and it hasn't rained. Otherwise, we probably would have done something a little more exciting today. But yeah, we did have a great day, and yep, let me show you all that stuff. So Jackson does not have a dog park, but it does have this dike trail along the Snake River. You can let your dog run off leash. There's lots of other dogs out here to play with. I'm a bit farther out, so there's not as many dogs, but yeah, great little place for a dog walk. Farewell, sweet bunny. Your time on this earth will be short. Jack's going in for the kill already. This is a calabrese salami with a local baguette from Persephone Bakery. We have a blue d'Auvergne cheese, and then also the Port Salut, and some figs and cashews. Yummy. The wine is a German Riesling. So this is kind of a semi-sweet Riesling. It's going to be fairly acidic, so it'll work really well with the fatty cheeses, and the sweetness will counteract the salt of the Blue d'Auvergne as well. So I believe it will pair very nicely. Very nicely. Surprise number 2 for Jax McGhee. Here you go, buddy. Well, I do love cheese and wine and Flash Gordon and river walks with Jax McGhee, hanging out with my buddy. Yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty good day off. Very chill. So that is my video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Thanks a bunch. And don't forget to ask your questions right down there. Ask your questions for the next video, which will be a Q&A. Thanks for watching.